Hello everyone, welcome to the Xoro user tutorial. In this quick little guide, we're going to walk through how to set up a user within your Xoro system. First thing we'll do is pull up the user module. And this is the user module where you're going to create users. You can always refer to the user center to see what users you already have created. And basically within Xoro, there's two types of users. There's non-silent users and silent users. So if you're creating a regular normal user of Xoro, you're going to want to leave this disabled. So this is basically a colleague, somebody who's working within your staff, who's able to access your Xoro system. You're going to want to make sure that this is disabled. If you're creating an external sales rep, or if you want to track some kind of sales rep, but you want to basically you don't want to give them a login, and in that case, their user actually won't apply towards your user limit that you have as part of your subscription. In that case, you want to create a silent user because silent users can't log into your Xoro system. But if you want to create a silent user, just make sure to assign them a role of sales rep so that when you create customers and you create sales orders, you can assign these reps that have been created, these silent users, to those orders. And that way, when you track them or using any reporting or anything like that, you can pull up analytics based on those users. So let's go ahead. Let's just put up just create a user here. Some information. You want to make sure when you're creating a non-silent, so a normal user, to use a valid email, because they will receive an email once the user's been created, and in that email will have instructions on how they can set up their user. And again, if you're creating a external sales rep, you can use any dummy email. There won't be an email sent for silent users. And again, for that, just tick off silent rep and select sales rep and create the user. That way you can use it for customers and sales orders. But in this case, we're creating a regular user, so we can just untick silent user here. So in this case, this is somebody who is going to, Dan here, he's gonna log into the Xoro system. He will be able to log in because he's not a silent user, and his default role will be sales rep. So let's go ahead, let's click save, click OK. And the information has been sent to Dan, and the user has been created.